Hey, what's going on? This is Rad from TacticalAirsoftSupply.com and BlackOpsElite.com. I got some of my battle buddies here. I got Alpha and I got Dark Raider. And we just want to say, hey, thanks to the Air Force out there for all you do to support the boots on the ground, dropping all that air power with your mighty roar from down under. Air power! This is for you out there, Air Force. Stay safe, stay frosty, and stay cool. Stay cool in your dorms, because that's where I was when I was in the Air Force. I know how it is. Love the Air Force, baby. Love the Air Force. Take it easy.